Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the Ice Titan battlegrounds are going to look like. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 2,000 by the end of the year. So yeah, it would mean a lot. So let's get into the video. So I was doing some questionable stuff, aka hacking. And while I was doing this, I used location hacks and I went to Shiver Chill Mountain, and what I found was very interesting. So these are like all the locations you can go, and there's a Titan. So if you go here, we'll just put in the recommended coordinates, and now we get here. Now I have a weird glitch going on down here where you can't see any of my tabs, but that doesn't matter. This is what the Titan ground is going to look like. So the Titan will be somewhere around here. We don't know what that looks like, but I did make a replica of what this is going to look like when it actually does come out. As you can see, we have the team Crystal or whatever, Harvey, the sign, and the membership catapult. I didn't add a Titan because there's no Ice Titan. And some of this stuff might not seem like it's correct. Like, there would be more space over here, but that is because this is wider than this is. So yeah, now we have 2 or 3 pieces of evidence for the Ice Titan coming out. We have the subspace, we have the Titan spine, and we have the third one, which is questionable, and that is the Elite Titan armor. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so that we can get to 2K by the end of the year, and bye.